everyone, this is my life for Air, and it's been a few days since I uploaded new videos because I'm back to work, so I don't have much time. Holiday season's over. Anyway, right now I'm working on a new lens review. Well, not new lens review, not new lens, but a new lens review. It's so weird. This is the Sony 16 to 50mm. It's a very old lens, and it's a very cheap lens. It's a cheap kit lens that comes with a Sony A6000, 6300, 6500, all those lineup, APS-C lineup. It's not very remarkable, not very nice, particularly awesome lens. It's just something practical you can use for day-to-day shoots, something simple and easy and light to use for casual shooting. But I just thought since we have this lens, why not just review it? By the way, I didn't get this lens when I bought my A6300, which I'm using to shoot myself right now, shooting this video with the Sigma 17 to 70mm, so I can get a better, wider aperture, better range. Anyways, I didn't get it together with a Sony A6300, but I got it afterwards because I wanted to have this compactness. At first I got the camera body alone because I didn't have the budget. So I got this lens afterwards, like 2 years into owning the A6300, because I wanted to have the zoom range goes from starting from 16mm. So it's wide enough for vlogging. It's wider than this 17mm, and it's super compact. If you don't turn on the camera, it stays collapsed and doesn't comes out. So it's super compact, like a pancake lens, and fits into your pocket very nicely. And that's what I did today. I just put it in my pocket and I carried it in my pocket. Took some photos and videos in Venice. I didn't feel weighed down. It doesn't feel like anything in my pocket. It's just like, it's almost feel like a phone in your pocket. It's really not much with the whole setup, A6300 with this lens. It's really tiny and portable. So I decided to review this lens. So I'm taking more sample photos and videos. And I'm going to talk about the image quality. I'm going to talk about the functionality, characteristics, all those stuff. So I had to, every time I make a review video, there are a lot of things, a lot of work to do. You have to take sample photos, take sample videos, and you have to think and write a script and to consider all the aspects you want to talk about, you want to touch on. I just wrote the script, and I'm going to record. Yeah, you have to record a voiceover, or sometimes, when you are in the mood, you can also just talk straight to the camera without a script, like I'm doing right now. You could do that. It depends on how you want to approach. And you have to put all those sample footage together with a voiceover to correspond. When you talk about these things, you put this footage. And also you have to put comparison footage. You have to compare this and that, like a same shot with the two different lenses. You have to zoom in, pixel peep them, and what else? There was something that it just slipped from my mind. I don't remember anymore. Anyway, it's a lot of work to do. Making voiceover, making all those stuff. So yeah, let's see tomorrow. Tomorrow I probably don't have time. Tomorrow I will collect more sample photos from the 17 to 70. So I want to compare this lens with that lens. And the day after tomorrow I'll be free, and I should be able to finish the entire video, and I should be able to publish the video in that day too. So tomorrow, day after tomorrow, in 2 days. That's my plan. What else did I want to? I don't remember. What did I want to do? Anyways, that's it. That's it. All right. Whatever I forgot to say, it's gone. Full buy is full buy. Whatever. Anyways, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the new review video very soon. Thank you for watching. Bye.